Today I'm going to talk about the tub and tile paint project that I did at my brother's house. This is what his tub and tile situation looked like before, and this is my second time painting a tub and doing a tile surround. First up, you really need to prep your area. My brother had a lot of silicone around his tiles, so I used an X-Acto knife, a caulking remover, and I found that a paint scraper worked probably the best to remove all of the old silicone. This took a lot longer than I thought, and I still ended up missing a few areas. Next, I used the Clanks Tub and Tile Epoxy Kit, and it recommended using their cleaner step, which is what I did. I don't have a video of it, but imagine scrubbing and wiping down the tiles with this gritty tub and then doing a TSP mix to clean everything up. Once everything was thoroughly rinsed away, I mixed the two-part epoxy kit as mentioned in the instructions. For this kit, you're supposed to mix the smaller jar into the larger jar and then let it sit for an hour before you paint. This paint is super liquidy, so I did like that it kind of thickened up compared to the Rust-Oleum kit I used that was really liquidy the whole time. Here's what the tub and tile look like after 2 coats, which is essentially one kit. I also painted his sink because it was almond colored as well and we wanted to do everything bright white. Here's a video of me doing the painting, and essentially you want to start from the top down. Again, this paint is very liquidy, and this was my second kit. You'll notice that I'm also wearing a much better mask than I had before because these paint fumes are very strong. I'm also wearing gloves and, of course, my favorite painting outfit, which you can tell has gotten a lot of use over the years. I didn't mention, but you do want to tape off any of your fixtures if you're keeping them in place, and it's a good idea to wrap them in a bag or put plastic covering to avoid any drips. My brother is going to replace the shower head, so I wasn't worried about that one. After 2 kits, which was 4 coats, the tub was looking pretty much perfect. However, there were a couple of spots, which are called fish eyes, that I couldn't get rid of. These are called by leftover silicone or any kind of products like that the paint doesn't stick to. Luckily, the Clank stud does have a special additive, but it didn't come in time, and I'm going to go back and do another coat of paint to remove these. I added some silicone to any holes that were from old hardware and then along the tops and bottoms. The before and after looks great, but again, I do want to do one more coat to remove any of the spots. And about the sink, I have a video coming up soon with the whole vanity transformation, so here's a little sneak peek. Check out madisonmethod.com for more details.